Billzart.s vintage toy store. And guess what? As I was waiting for my water slides to come in, something amazing happened. Anyway, do you see a new member of the Sweet 16? Yep, I did. Ta-da! Man. Yep, I went to my buddy's house and he said Merry Christmas. And gave my wife a Garth Brooks book. And I gave him $40. 1967 metal base, bearing wheels. Sweet 16. It looks like a teal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to submerge this thing and clean it really well with soap and water. And try to get that paint off. And see how much original Spectre Flame is left on this custom 67 Beetle. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be fun. Well, you know, with brand new meats on her, she just looks so good. And the windows cleaned up really well, and there is no sunroof inside there like I was hoping. But that's all I could do, just soap and water. I got all that ugly blue paint off. Most of it anyway. But with new tires and rims, oh man, it looks good just like it does right there. I don't even think I'm going to restore it. I think it looks, you know, just old car with new tires, man. Look at that. All right, now off. And it looks good with the bus. The beach bomb. Looks really good with the beach bomb. And then we'll get back to putting the water slides on that. And there goes my drink. Yep. Yep, it was inside the car. That slides back and forth. The windshield interior came out brand new. Look at that. Man, it's gonna be awesome. Dark purple. Yeah. That's a big difference from where it came from. I made a magenta. Windshield came out pretty clean. Holy smokes. Just got off work and it finally came. My water slides. Oh yes. so excited. I got the water slides for the Porsche and for the thrill drivers and the 442 and the glass. I'm really excited because I was worried that the front glass wouldn't match the back glass, but guess what? They gave me both. I got the back and the front. I thought I only ordered the front. And it's gonna look awesome. It's gonna be cute. Awesome. Let's get started. Second Chance Red Lines. I love these guys. They're the greatest. Look them up. Google it. That's what my daughter tells me all the time. Or whatever. You know what it is. Ooh, that was tricky. Got the first one on. This design logo here went on the blue 442 only, I think. But I don't care. It looks good on there. Oh yeah. Real beauty. Put the STPs on and clear coat it and put it together. Oh yeah. Look at you. All brand new. Oh yeah. Thanks, Second Chance Red Lines. Y'all are awesome. Oh man, that's bad. Man, that was probably the hardest one I ever had to put on. Yeah, that one there was the hardest one I ever had to do. It's not perfect, but they never are perfect, are they? Even without a blister. Fresh out in the blister, they be crooked, so I'm happy with that. I like it crooked. As long as it looks fresh, I'm happy. Ooh. Oh my. I'm just having too much fun. That was definitely the hardest one. I'm not even done with it yet. I gotta spray him the clear coat, take him apart first. So it's gonna be a minute. But that one was the easiest one, and it came out the best. Oh man. Look at that. Having fun yet? Can't wait for it to dry so you can clean them up and put them on display. SecondChanceRedLight.com. Redline.com. They even got a free pin. Wow. Not perfect, but it's darn near. Wow. Brand new windshield. Brand new headlights. Brand new tires. Brand new water slides. Now let's get this one done. I still wanted to put new tires on this one, but I can always do that later. And it turned out pretty excellent. Alright. Flat out 442. Porsche 917. And now this one. Yeah. Thrill driver. Nice. A little messed up right there. The better side. Brand new. Look at that. Love it. Worked out pretty nice. Got 3 in a row right here. Billzart.s Vintage Toy Store. We gotta love it. See ya, don't wanna be ya.